So this is the github.com cloud mesh-community repository. And what we want to show to you today is how you can use GitHub Issues to manage your tasks. I myself maintain a sample HID in here. You will have your own HID here. So I look for sample, or I have even associated my name with this. If I type in Gregor, I can see here this sample HID. I go in there, and here there is this issue file, and I can file issues. These are simply like simple tasks that I can associate with things I have to do. There are two mechanisms on how you can use issues. One would be that you would be able to formulate issues individually, simple tasks. I can say, for example, here, new issue, and then say task 1. Or I can say maybe assignment 1. Assignment 1, bio post to Piazza. I can submit then this issue and even assign it to myself. Here's my name. And then I know if I were to work in groups, I could have even multiple people. Here I can show you. There's another one here that would be able to work on this task. I can change the assignments, and I can submit this issue to myself in my queue. Now you see there are issues 2. That means I have 2 issues here right now. And if I want to list all the issues, I simply click on this, and I see now assignment 1 and activities. Activities is something that I formulated earlier on. So when I now go into assignments, I can leave comments. Do this task soon, maybe, or write my status on this, and I can comment on this. Some tasks require subtasks. So I can, for example, say with here star bracket open space bracket closed, subtask 1, and then star subtask 2, and I can comment this. And now I have this wonderful, nice feature here that I have clickable subtasks. And when I've done the subtask, I simply can click it on, right? I can also edit my task here, like for example, assignment. So maybe I'm not interested if this is assignment 1, but assignment bio. And I save this. And now remember that we had to do certain bio assignments. That's the reason why we assigned them to you. Bio on Piazza. The other one would be bio on Google Docs. And then the third one would be bio on GitHub. So this way, it's up to you on how you actually want to structure the assignment, because you know that you have to do all 3 bios. And you could, for example, do the first one and then execute, click on that you have done this, do this one, have done this, and so forth. And then one of the nice things that you have when you go back to the overview of all the tasks. Sorry, I pressed the wrong button. Here, when you go back to issues, you see, for example, that this task has here 3 tasks already done out of 6, which is our activities. And our assignment here has somewhat not this information. But if I were to modify my task in the following form, instead of using it here in the second comment, putting it in the first comment here, and update this particular comment, and I were to, for example, cancel this particular comment. Oh, sorry. Delete this comment. And I go now back to the issue. I see, for example, that there are 3 subtasks in my main bio task. So as you can see now, this is because I use the heading, and then my first task comment has all these subtasks. If I click now on this one here, go back, I have done 2 out of 3 tasks. If I go back, click on all of them, I see that I have done all 3 tasks. At that time, I have all completed. I can actually close this issue, and this issue will no longer appear in my activities list. So this way I have a wonderful way of maintaining the tasks myself that I have to do within the open source project, and you can actually use this particular feature quite well. And because it's so super flexible and you can assign tasks to other people, it's wonderful to build groups that have multiple activities to do as part of a larger task, and you can work with them in achieving your goals. Thank you very much for your attendance, and I hope that you enjoy this little presentation. When you go in your repository, you have this projects thing, so you can create a new project. You can, for example, simply say here, final project maybe. Right, then we just use a template, and this template here is an automated Kanban.
Jeez, wow.
Now we can actually create the project.
Wow.
So now we get actually a Kanban a lane for us, where we have these tasks such as in progress, done, and we can even add new columns to them. And so one of the columns, as I said, is I could, for example, even make named columns, Gregor, so that I can even create tasks to myself. And this way I have maybe in progress or Gregor, but there's also another way of doing the person assignment. I can naturally do another task. So now I can actually go on this plus sign here and create a new node. I can, for example, say, set up document. I do the task. So then another task would be maybe set up code. Another task would be do the programming. So this way I can set up many tasks. There are some properties that you can do, edit the nodes or convert this to an issue, so that you even have them into an issue. So we can, for example, say this is this is a body. This is lots to do here, or maybe I can do even this here. Create library, and then maybe create main, and then I convert this to an issue. And now this thing here is actually a clickable issue that when you click on this, it comes actually in the issue list.